Alright, let's break down what happened in the US stock market from September 29th through October 3rd, 2025. First up, the SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, ticker SPY, ended the week at $669.21. That's basically flat, down just 14 cents from the previous close. The fund opened at $670.02, traded as high as $672.67, and dipped as low as $668.20. Volume was pretty strong, with over 70 million shares changing hands. Now, let's zoom out to the big indexes. The S&P 500 closed at a brand new all-time high, 6,715.79. The Dow Jones Industrial Average also hit a record, climbing about 0.5% on Friday. The Nasdaq slipped a little, down about 0.3% on Friday after hitting its own record earlier in the week. And the Russell 2000, which tracks small-cap stocks, led the pack with a 1.7% gain for the week. Overall, it was a solid week for stocks. S&P 500 and Dow 1.1%, Nasdaq 1.3%, Russell 2000 1.7%. So what was driving all this action? First, the market showed some serious resilience. Even with worries about a possible government shutdown and delayed economic data like the jobs report, investors stayed focused on company earnings and sector strength. Second, there was clear leadership from big multinationals and tech stocks, especially those involved in AI. A weaker dollar gave a boost to companies with international exposure. And check this out. Western Digital soared nearly 23% after some bullish analyst revisions. Tech and growth names were a big part of the week's rally. Third, yields and inflation were still in the spotlight. Treasury yields moved higher after strong economic data, reminding everyone the Fed is still walking that tightrope between supporting growth and fighting inflation. Inflation's still sticky, and the latest PCE numbers kept everyone guessing about future rate hikes. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe.